I'm Darren Macy Benemerito from Binanga, Gonzaga, Cagayan. My father's name is Ernesto Benemerito Jr. My mother's name is Roslyn Cayo Benemerito. I have experience to work in house in Amman, Jordan. I clean the house, cook. Sometimes I cook, ironing, washing the clothes, cleaning the car, and going to the market. I have experience to care a elderly. That is my grandmother. I clean her wounds, preparing her foods, accompany her when she need to go to the hospital for her checkup, washing her clothes, and giving her daily medicine. Thank you.